In Bluffdale, Utah, where temperatures fluctuate dramatically from hot summers to chilly winters, choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your home is essential. Not only can energy-efficient windows help maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round, but they can also significantly reduce your energy bills by improving insulation. Here's a guide to selecting the best energy-efficient windows for every season in Bluffdale, making your home a cozier, greener, and more affordable place to live. Why energy efficiency matters for Bluffdale Homes. Energy-efficient windows work by reducing the amount of heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. In winter, they help keep warm air inside your home, and in summer, they help keep it cool. In Bluffdale's semi-arid climate, where winters are cold and summers can be scorching, energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can lead to significant energy savings and create a more comfortable living space. Key features to look for in energy-efficient windows. When shopping for energy-efficient windows, it's essential to look for specific features that contribute to insulation, durability, and performance across different seasons. Here are the most important features to consider. Double or triple pane glass. Multi-pane windows, such as double or triple pane, offer a significant advantage over single-pane windows in terms of insulation. The extra layers of glass create additional barriers against heat transfer, making it easier to maintain a stable indoor temperature. These panes are often filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton, which further boost energy efficiency. Low-E glass coating. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are microscopic layers applied to the glass surface to reduce heat transfer. In Bluffdale, a low-E coating helps keep out the intense summer heat while allowing warmth in during the winter months. Low-E glass is also excellent for reducing UV exposure, which protects your furniture and floors from fading. Energy Star rating. Windows with the Energy Star label meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Energy Star windows are rated for energy efficiency based on the climate zone, so it's important to select windows that are designed specifically for Bluffdale's climate. Energy Star certified windows can save homeowners a substantial amount on heating and cooling bills. Gas fills between panes. Insulating gases, such as argon or krypton, are often placed between the panes of multi-pane windows. These gases are denser than air, which reduces the transfer of heat. For Bluffdale homes, choosing windows with these gas fills can help regulate temperature more effectively, providing comfort in both summer and winter. Durable frames. The frame material you choose can also impact your home's energy efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are highly energy efficient and require less maintenance than wood. Vinyl frames, in particular, are excellent at preventing air leaks and are highly resistant to Bluffdale's varying weather conditions. Choosing the right window style for every season. Beyond materials and coatings, the style of your window also plays a role in energy efficiency. Different styles provide varying levels of ventilation and insulation. Casement windows open outward and seal tightly when closed, offering excellent insulation and security. They're especially useful for Bluffdale's colder months, as they prevent drafts effectively. Double-hung windows. These windows have two sashes that open and close independently. They're ideal for allowing ventilation during warm Bluffdale summers but may be slightly less effective at insulation during the winter months. Picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that don't open. While they lack ventilation, they offer great insulation and are perfect for Bluffdale homes looking to maximize their view and reduce heat loss. Tips for maintaining energy efficiency year-round. Choosing the right windows is the first step, but maintaining their energy efficiency is equally important. Here are a few tips to ensure your windows perform optimally across every season. Inspect and seal regularly. Check for gaps, cracks, or damaged weather stripping around your windows. Proper sealing is essential for keeping Bluffdale's heat and cold out, especially in extreme weather. Clean window glass and frames. Regularly cleaning your windows prevents grime buildup, which can reduce the efficiency of low-E coatings and decrease insulation. Clean glass allows natural sunlight to enter, which can help naturally heat your home in the winter. Invest in quality window treatments. Blinds, curtains, or shades can add an extra layer of insulation. Heavy, thermal curtains are excellent for keeping out Bluffdale's winter chill, while light shades can block summer heat. Upgrade your Bluffdale home with energy-efficient windows. Choosing energy-efficient windows for your Bluffdale home is a wise investment that pays off in comfort and savings. By selecting windows with the right features and maintaining them well, you'll enjoy year-round benefits, from cozy winter warmth to cool summer comfort. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current windows, make energy efficiency a priority to get the most out of Bluffdale's beautiful, though often unpredictable, climate.